How can I explain what a computer virus is to people who are not familiar with computers and programming? I have to teach a group of non-CS students what computer viruses are. The course material contains only definitions and some details about what those viruses do. But those things are known to everyone who knows what a computer is. I want to touch upon, in a non-technical way, the programming or technical side of a virus. The solution can be writing a program which non-programmers can understand or comparing what a computer virus does to a real-world situation. Any thoughts, suggestions or examples for how can I go about it? Humorous answers are acceptable too.
I think that the similitude with biological system, from which the word virus has been taken from, is good. Like biological viruses causes the cell's behavior to be subverted, computer viruses do the same with computer programs. They also have other similar behavior. Both computer viruses and biological ones are self-replicant. Both can't live without an host system. Both are made by small pieces of information, DNA versus binary instructions.
Everyone who uses a computer knows what computer viruses can do, like steal files or cause physical damage, especially because some viruses have already caused physical damage, but not many know how they do it. I think this is what you are getting at with your question. It also is worth mentioning that a computer has no awareness, yet, for those proponents of it simply performs the instructions it is sent. A virus itself performs malicious tasks on a user's computer, stealing/deleting personal data, corrupting system files, etc., and since computers run code, the virus itself must exist as pure code. Viruses can exist as standalone programs, i.e. their sole purpose is malicious intent. They can pose as good programs, or they can infect other programs already on your machine. Viruses spread in all three of these ways, or on a network. I believe this is more correctly called a worm. In the case of an infected program, the virus overwrites certain parts of the application with its own code, or injects its own code into the application, so it seems to be working. The computer will then start the application, and begin executing the instructions as normal. Once the virus code is hit, the malicious operation of the virus begins. What the virus does next is up to the virus creator. It may simply be a proof of concept, and may sit in your memory dormant. It may corrupt various system files, send itself to your address book, or sit and wait for you to type in credit card numbers. These malicious programs/code are called viruses due to their equivalency to the operation of their biological counterparts. Viruses spread and infect a host, much like malware. One last thing you might want to mention, new viruses can literally rewrite themselves on the fly. They do this through various types of polymorphism, to disguise the actual code and make it difficult for antivirus software to detect them. Newer antivirus programs rely on heuristic analysis of programs, and determine what they are trying to do, and if they pose a threat to the system, or not.
The word virus helps. Most genetic material is beneficiary, but some is dangerous. Similarly, most computer software is written for the benefit of the user, but a computer virus is not. Note that I am using the colloquial usage of the word virus to refer to all malware. When describing things yourself, be sure to use the term malware to refer to malicious software. A virus is only one type of malware. Don't go explaining all the different types of malware, but rather the effects that they can have. They send spam from your computer. They attack other computers from your computer. They slow down your computer's performance and internet connection. They will parse your address book and send spam to your contacts. They will upload your personal files to malicious entities, including your banking information and credit card details.
Describe the Trojan horse the Trojans used as an example. It's disguised as something useful, but will kill you if you let it in. Mention that malware isn't considered a virus, but mostly a data thief or ad pusher that makes the thief money of them, even if they aren't aware of it.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.